So today we are going to be uploading our very first video on YouTube. I am so happy for you guys, and I know that you've been procrastinating, but I can assure you that this is your year. You've been wanting to vlog, but you've been so fearful. This is your year. This video is going to contain almost everything that you need to know about your first video and all the videos that you're going to be uploading. You want to post anything, this is your year. You want to show us any technique that we need to know, this is your year. And I am very excited for you, as you can see. Hi everyone, thank you very much for clicking on this video. My name is Lake, and like I always say, if this video is helpful for you, then kindly subscribe and also like my video so that it can reach as many people as possible. Now, the first thing that you need to know is to always have your account created, or you have a channel created that is out there. If you do not have a channel created, by now you should be knowing that if you have a Gmail account and you're accessing YouTube right now, it is very possible for you to change that Gmail account into your channel. That is very easy, and this is how you do it. As you can see guys, I already have my company Gmail account, but I haven't yet created a channel. And if I wanted to create it as a channel, it is very simple. I will go ahead and click on the icon that says create account, and voila, I have myself my channel and it's going to be operating. That is it. However, if you do not want to use your Gmail account as your channel, you can as well start the process afresh by creating a Gmail account. And for those of you who do not have Gmail accounts, this is what you're going to be doing. You go to Google, and the first thing it's going to ask you is whether you want to sign in with your old account or create an account. And I created a new account. Ask you for personal use or business. I created business, and then it led me to getting my own Gmail account, which I did not know what to write, so I decided to do something to write something in line with skincare, and that is what I ended up with, and then clicked on next. You will then create your birthday, which I am sure everyone has a birthday. If you want to put a fake one, it's very fine. This one that I'm putting is very fake, so that is what you come up with. Select the gender and click on next. And then the other thing that is going to bring for you, of course, is the username. So I tried so many usernames and I failed. I ended up with what Google had suggested for me, and there you go. That is it. After that, you'll be asked to create a very strong password, which I did. Then you'll be asked to put your contact number, which I did, but this one is very optional. So this is the final stage where Google is going to ask you to agree to its terms and conditions, which I agreed. And yeah, that is our channel, guys. So we shall be heading to YouTube and creating our channel just like I showed you earlier on. The steps are the same. So you create your channel, get a username that you want to use, and bam, you have your channel. You can then go ahead and choose whether you want a profile picture or not, which I did for my own. And guys, you already have a channel. Congratulations on creating your YouTube channel. Let's head to the next step. You need to know your niche. For some of you who do not know what a niche is something that you're going to be focused on. But if you are like me who did not have a niche, and up to now I am still looking for my niche, you can always post anything as you keep your channel busy and as you find your possible niche. If you go back to my very first video, you realize that I was not even in that video. But then it got a few views and a few subscribers, which is a very good thing. So if you don't have a niche, it is fine. Start with whatever you can. I have seen people who always post this video that this is my very first YouTube video, and it gets views because they want to tell people what their very first video is about. Some of them don't even know what their video is going to entail, but as time goes on, they will be updating their viewers and their subscribers what their video or channel is always about. However, most of the common niches that I have seen, and if you want to succeed in any of those niches, it can be something that is educational, something that is relatable, any comedy video, if you have videos that are entertaining, if you have anything related to health, if you have anything related to to beauty. That is very crucial. Those guys get a lot of views. Anything related to beauty, skin care, hair care, products, about how to take care of yourself and your body and everything like that. All those are niches that you can focus on. If you want to teach us camera techniques, if you want to teach us how to edit, if you want to teach us graphics, all those are niches for you guys. So if you have already gotten your niche, well and good, you have finished your step number 2 as your account is maturing. Let us go to step number 3. Step number 3 is going to be your camera rolling. You're going to put your camera just like I have put mine. You're going to communicate, or you're going to film anything that you want. So my very humble advice to you is that if you're starting up a very fast YouTube channel, you need to make sure that your video is very short and straight to the point. You don't want to have a long video. People are going to get bored. It's your first video, so you need to let them know what it's going to be about. So get your camera rolling and film whatever you want to film, whether you're seated in front of the camera saying something, whether you want to pass on a message, whether you're telling us it's your very first video. I can't wait to watch some of your videos. Sorry for my voice, I'm not feeling so well, but let us continue. Just ignore the voice though. After your first, second, third step and you already have your video on your phone or on your laptop, the next thing that you're going to be doing, because I am using a phone, I am doing this tutorial with a phone. So the next thing that you're going to be doing is editing. With video editing, as you're using your phone, the apps that I have found very easy to use are InShot, CapCut, and is it VN? Yes, those apps are very easy and they are so easy that anyone can use them. Anyone can use them. Straight to the point. Whatever you want to add, whatever you want to remove, it's just there. With CapCut, you can use Pip. If you want to add something with CapCut, sorry, with CapCut you can use overlay if you want to add something. With InShot, you can always use Pip to add something. Straight to the point, like I am saying. These are very good when it comes to color grading. If you want to change your background, like how mine is, everything is in these apps. And I already have like 2 videos about how to edit using CapCut. Unless if you want me to teach you using InShot, you will tell me about that. Like I said, you're going to be editing out some of the things that you don't want, some of the things that you want. So you're going to be using those apps for now. You can also tell me the apps that you feel are very easy to use. I had actually forgotten Filmora is also a very good one. You have created your channel, you have found a niche, you have filmed yourself, you have edited. What else is left? It is to upload your video, and you know that you need to have data to upload it. Have the courage, the strength, and be positive in mind that your video is going to reach certain people in your life. And also, after you have uploaded your video, kindly share the link to the people that are closest to you, because they're the very people that are going to help you. Your friends and your family are going to be the very first people to subscribe to your YouTube channel. So you need to share with them the channel link. Like, you've uploaded your very first video and congratulations. And if you have opened up your YouTube channel and posted your very first video, you can as well come to the comment section and tell me, so that I can subscribe to your YouTube channel, so that I can be one of your subscribers and also love your video and also give you a thumbs up and see what you are going to be telling us in the near future. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you find this video very helpful, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video so it can reach as many people as possible. I want to also inform you that you can leave any kind of question or request that you have on the comment section, and as soon as I get online, I always respond to those comments. So thank you very much for watching my video. Till next time, bye bye.